Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a question on factors and polynomial. This is a question of Feb March 2025, additional math paper 1, which is a non-calculator exam. They've been given one polynomial, a square x cubed, so it's a cubic equation, and a is unknown. Also given 2x plus 1 as one of the factor. We use the factor theorem which says if ax plus b is a factor of a polynomial, then if I equate this to 0, I get root of a polynomial. So that's going to be x equals to minus b over a. That would be root of the polynomial. Using this theorem, I will be able to get for 2x plus 1 minus half should be root of the polynomial. That means if I substitute minus half at the place of x, I should get 0. Let's use that in the given equation. We get a square minus half cube, that gives me minus 1 over 8, plus 2 times a time minus half square is 1/4, plus a time minus half plus 2 and equate it to 0. That gives us minus a square over 8 plus 2 and 4 give me 2. A over 2 minus a over 2 gets cancelled with each other and I only get directly the term 2. This gives us minus a square over 8 is equal to minus 2, and that gives us minus a square is equal to minus 16. A square is equal to 16, and this gives us a is equal to plus or minus of 4. The question says a is a positive integer, which gives me a is equal to just one value, that is 4. This is your first part of the question, which is a 3 marker. Next, factorize px. So before factorizing, let me just rewrite this by the given value a. So I write my px as 16 x cube plus 8 x square plus 4x plus 2. I already know that 2x plus 1 is one of the factor, so I write the remaining as a quadratic in terms of unknown, ax square plus bx plus c, and now I compare the coefficients with this cubic. So the first coefficient I will need for x cube, which I get by multiplying these two terms, so I get 2ax cube. This 2ax cube, if I compare it with this, I get 2a equals to 16, which means a is equal to 8. So I get the value a. Next, to get the value b, which is here, I will be able to compare it if I get 2bx square plus ax square. So this I will be able to get 2b plus ax square. This I compare it with 8. So 2b plus a is equal to 8. But I already have value a, which is 8, and therefore I get b equals to 0. Next, to get the value c, which is a constant, I just compare the constant term, and that gives me c is equal to 2. So I get all three terms. Therefore, my given polynomial will be written in the factorized form as 2x plus 1. And this is 8x square plus 2. I can factorize 2, and that gives me 2 times 4x square plus 1, which will be answer for the B part. This is just a 2 marker question, but it appears in your non-calculator exam, so you cannot use a calculator. You can also divide your given cubic with the help of one of the factor and get that quadratic. Next is to find out, to show that this is it has only one real root. So the one real root that we have is 2x plus 1, that gives us a root as minus half. So we know that if it has got only one real root, the other one should not have a real root. That is 4x square plus 1. If I equate this to 0, what do I get? 4x square is equal to minus 1, implies x square is equal to minus 1/4. So what is the value of x? Do we get any real value of x for which the square is minus 1/4? No. So we say that no real root. This could be end of your third part. or you can use discriminant b square minus 4ac. When discriminant d square minus 4ac is less than 0, over here we get there is no b value, so it's 0 minus 4 times 1, which is minus 16, and it is less than 0 implies no real root. Whichever method you use, you get that there is no real root for the remaining factor. So the only real root that you have is from this first factor 2x plus 1, that is minus half. So this is just one real root which we have for this given polynomial. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any question, you can comment it below. Thank you for watching. Bye.